The model for multiplying fractions is very similar to the model for adding fractions. The only difference is that you're only going to use one rectangle instead of two. The first thing that we need to do is model 3/4. So I'm going to divide my rectangle into 4 equal pieces. Well, kind of equal pieces. And then I'm going to need to shade in 3 of those. Okay, so far with the blue marker I have shaded in 3/4. The next thing that I need to do is I need to divide my rectangle, this time going the opposite direction. So since I went up and down or drew vertical lines at first, this time I'm going to draw horizontal lines going across. And since all I need to do is divide it into half, I'm going to just draw one straight line. But I need to shade in one out of my 2 pieces. So this time I'm going to do that with red. And yep, I am coloring right on top of the blue. So now in red, I can see that I have 1/2 of this picture shaded, and in blue, I can see that I have 3/4. Well, the cool part about it comes in right in this area here. This part where they are shaded both blue and red, that is going to actually be the answer to our problem. So let's go back over and visit our standard algorithm here. And we know that if I'm looking at just my denominators, which is 4 and 2, 2 times 4 is 8. Well, check it out. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. So my denominator is 8 because now after I have divided my model into 2 different fractions, I have 8 pieces. The next thing I'm going to do is my numerator. Okay, so I've got 3 times 1 is going to be 3. Well, look what is colored in both colors. The only boxes that are colored in of red and blue are these 1, 2, and 3. So my model now matches the answer. Okay, so 3/8 is shown here. 3 of them are red and blue out of all the 8 pieces. And that's really what the model for fraction multiplication looks like. It gets a lot trickier when you have much smaller pieces, so we're going to look at one of those next.